How to fix pull-up for precise seeking in YouTube problem. First of all, launch the YouTube application in your mobile device. So once you are here and if you're on your home page, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Here, again tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Under settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Once you're here, you have to turn on this toggle that is accessibility player. After that, this hide player controls option will be activated. Tap on it. So from here, choose the second option that is after 3 seconds. Once you have done that, now you can go back, go to your home page, play your video or play any video in YouTube, and the pull-up for precise seeking problem in YouTube will be fixed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.